been a really long time since I've done this, but I've acquired enough stuff to do a thrift try-on clothing haul. So you guys might not know this if you haven't been on my channel for very long, but I actually started this channel in 2012, and what I started it for was to show videos of what I buy in the charity shops. I used to really like making videos showing you guys all of the thrifty things I like to buy, and I haven't done one of these in ages, so I thought it was time to bring it back. And now is a great time because I've got a massive pile on the bed. So let's jump in and I'm gonna show you guys what I bought recently. Also, I'll have you know, I actually got the iron out and ironed quite a few of these things. Even though it doesn't look like it, I actually washed, pressed, and prepared for this video. Okay, so here's what I got. Let's start with tops. So let's jump in and start with this. This is just a sweater. It's kind of like a waffle knit, and it's got one of those 3/4 length zips that seem to be everywhere at the moment. And I saw this, it was like £3.50 or something like that in the British Red Cross, and I had to pick it up. It's kind of cropped, but I think it would look nice with a skirt and just great for chilling around the house. This actually, a few of these pieces were from either H&M or COS, and I think they were brand new and they must donate them because they cut out all the tags and they were in perfect condition, and there was just quite a lot of them all in one store. So sometimes you'll find that and you'll get really lucky, and I did today because I found a few of these pieces, but this was one of them. I'll be honest, I'm not very in the know when it comes to fashion and what people are wearing at the moment, but I have noticed a lot of people are wearing tie-dye, and I thought I couldn't get on board with it, but when I saw this one, I thought it was really nice. I like the blue, I like that it's not super blotchy and the pattern's kind of small. I just thought it'd be really interesting. However, the bottom is not very cute. The gathering has got to go, so I thought I could probably try and DIY this, or at least crop it some way to make it a bit more wearable. The thing I love most about the charity shop is it's easy to try out a new trend that you think you might not be on board with, but you want to try it, but you don't want to invest loads of money into it. This was £1.99 from Oxfam, so it's not breaking the bank on something much more expensive from the high street, and if I don't like it, I can redonate it. So I'm gonna try it and see if tie-dye is for me. Another one from the Red Cross. This is just another H&M piece. It's a white pullover shirt and it's ribbed, long sleeved, and it's got, what's this called again? A polo neck. The thought of wearing this right now in 29-degree heat is breaking me out in hives. But I think it'll be really nice in the winter with a skirt, like a check skirt or something like that. It's a great staple, a good basic, and I've been looking for one of these, so I'm pleased. Oh no. Oh, that's a bit see-through. That's not what I had in mind. I actually kind of like this neckline because you can see my choker and you can see my neck. I feel like quite tight polo necks make my face look a little bit round, so I like it. This is from the men's section. This is just a t-shirt that's kind of gingham if you look at it really close, but if you look at it far away, it just kind of looks like TV static. I don't know, I really like buying oversized t-shirts in the men's section at the moment. It's becoming a problem because at one point I went into the shop and I bought a jacket, and the guy at the till was like, oh, your boyfriend is so lucky that you buy him things. And I was like, huh, well, don't have one of those, but okay. And last in the top section, this one is a little bit unique. So this is a check grandpa shirt. Well, that's what I feel like it looks like. I feel like I look like I'm going to the golf club, but I just thought this was really cool. I've been watching a lot of Steal the Spotlight's videos, and she was wearing a really cool two-piece, and it had this kind of collar neckline on it. So I thought if she's wearing something similar to this, surely I should give it a go. I am a little nervous about it, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know whether to style it open or closed with a skirt, with some jeans. How do I do it? It's kind of masculine, but I like it, so we'll see. But I really did like the pattern on it. I thought it's pretty cool, and that was, I think, £1.50. Let's move into skirts. And I have another little pile right here. A couple of these I picked up because I had in mind that I wanted to do some DIYs and upcycle some of them. So I found this one, which is a little bit too big, definitely needs to be taken in. It's quite long, which is cute. I like a good midi length skirt, but I thought I could maybe try and make it into like a wrap style skirt with the extra fabric from the bottom. I don't know, I have some ideas, but I thought it was quite nice, and I think this one was about £2, and just really like the pattern, so I got that one. This one also needs some work. It is essentially one big piece of denim. It's a wraparound skirt, but it is a few sizes too big, so I need to take it in or take the button in if that's a feasible option, and then maybe create like, I don't know, like a denim belt or like a bow or something that can go around this. Anyway, I think this was about £3. I might be wrong, but I also picked up a black midi length skirt. I've been looking for one of these and I found this one for £1. I like midi length skirts. I have one that's a lot more pattern, so I thought it'd be nice to pick up a black one so that I could play around a bit more with pattern on the top and just mix it up a little bit. This one's quite heavy and very thick, so I'm not really sure if it's going to sit very nicely. This is one of the things I haven't tried on, so we will see. This skirt is deceiving because it looks like it's made of denim, but it's not. It's just like a blue cotton fabric. It's originally from Topshop, and I really like this kind of paper bag style waist, and the fact that it came with a matching belt I thought was really nice. I did have to iron this, so I'm not particularly happy. I hate clothes that you have to iron. Not about that life. But I've been looking for something that's denim, but you know, this is nice and light and floaty. I thought it was kind of cool. I'm interrupting this video to let you guys know that the skirt does the thing that zippers do when they create like a little pooch, and the pockets kind of do it too. This next one, a little bit out there. I haven't played around with my style much over the last few years, but when I saw this one I was like, you know what, I don't care if it looks silly, there's something about it, I quite like it. So this is a midi length skirt with all these crazy 80s style watercolor patterns and shapes all over it. Just thought it was really cool, and it would look really nice with just an oversized white t-shirt tucked in. This was £2, I think, £1.99. I don't know, it was a bargain. Dresses. So I picked up a few casual pieces. The first is also one of those H&M pieces, and it's a safari style jumpsuit. This also was a pain in the ass to iron. I spent a long time on this piece, so I will not be washing it anytime soon, I'm afraid. In fact, I'm just gonna wear it on special occasions because I don't want to have to iron it again. But I really like it, and it comes with a belt, but the belt is actually tied onto it, so you're not gonna lose it, which I like. I picked one of these up in Zara recently, but the fabric was a really weird fabric and the fit just wasn't quite right, so I ended up returning it, and I was a bit gutted because I thought it was gonna look really cool. So when I found this one, I thought I'd give it a go. Last in my pile of dresses, I have this one. Now this I picked up in a market stall in Italy. My friend Kat pointed it out to me. She's like, you might like this one. And I was like, oh boy, do I. I really like this. This was €1, and they had loads of other secondhand stuff, but I thought this was really cool. It's a very, very vintage. What I like most about it is that it's pink and it's got this really awesome check pattern on it. It looks like it's tapered in a little bit at the waist, and it's got an interesting sweetheart neckline. Not what I normally go for, but I feel like it could be really cool layered with a t-shirt or something underneath. Maybe that white polo neck from earlier. We'll see. I haven't actually tried this one on, so I hope it fits. If it doesn't, I might cry. Who knows? I got a pair of black bootcut jeans. I have worn them, so there is a little stain. Probably my lunch from the other day. But I really like these. They were £2.99 in the British Heart Foundation. They're great with the cuffs rolled up, and they're really just nice and comfy and casual. Kind of loose fitting, and I love a good comfortable jean. Long gone are the skinny jeans. I don't want to hear the word low rise. I'm done. I'm all for boot cut. I'm here for it. Am I getting old? I think I might be getting old. And just a couple of shirts. I really, really like shirts at the moment, especially oversized ones. Once again, finding them in the men's section is always the best place to go, but I picked up two. The first is from Topshop. It's just this khaki green shirt, and I really like this because it's a little bit oversized. I thought it'd be fun to wear it open or to do the buttons up and tuck it into a skirt. So I have so many different options with this one, but I really love this color, and I most of all love this color with pink. So yeah. And this is one that I found in the men's section. This was £2.20, and I think it's from the RSPCA or something like that. It is an XXXL, and it is the comfiest thing I've ever worn. I just wear it open over a t-shirt and some jeans if I'm feeling a little bit like I want to just dress down, or, you know, if that's the vibe I'm going for. Sometimes I wear dresses, sometimes I wear big ugly man shirts. There is no in between. I just like that this is dark blue. It's nothing too obscene. It's just got a dainty little check pattern on it, and it's just got really long sleeves, so I like to roll them up a little bit. Okay, that is everything for today's video. It has been a long time since I've done anything fashion related, and I really enjoyed it. So if you want to see more once in a while, let me know in the comments down below. If you want to see some style hacks and some upcycling as well, I really want to do a few bits and bobs to these pieces. So yeah, with all of that being said, thanks so much for watching. Happy thrifting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.